All right, guys, we are back. You are listening to K-Talk Radio, 1640 AM. This is the show, Utah Home Sweet Home. I am your host, Yoshi Shiraki, and our special guest is Matt Atkinson. Matt Atkinson is definitely a real estate investing guru in the residential world. He's had tons of doors, over 100 doors at one point, liquidating some right now, prepping for the opportunity that's about to present itself over the next 24 to 36 months. Matt, what can people do to start looking at this opportunity that's happening to us right now for them?
Yeah! What's up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Instead of to them.
Yeah, what's up, Tony Robbins?
Yes, and utilize the opportunity to get started or ramp up in real estate investing.
So I did that noise twice on purpose.
Yeah.
That's for my friend Kristen. Hopefully when she listens to this. So, like, the juice is in the deal, right?
Yeah.
Like, there's so many freaking opportunities right now because the novice people don't know what to do. Those that have experienced one cycle are going to kill it. And what I mean by kill it, if they follow the principles that got them through the last one, that's the key. There's some pretty arrogant and friends of ours that they're going to learn a lot. They're learning a lot right now. And I'm an arrogant guy. Yoshi's definitely not. So we'll take some of my arrogance and give it to Yoshi, and he'll just bounce it back to me. But no, it's being confident in what you're doing. So I'm going to say most of you guys on here are new to this. So I'm going to share these principles. Sometimes people are like, Matt, you say the same thing over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. It's because they work, right?
Right.
So number one, make sure you have 6 months of living expenses in savings, like legit. You know how much it costs for you to live. You have it in savings. If it costs you $3,500 a month to live, and that's out the door, right? Like that's your mortgage, travel, phone, food,
gas,
whatever you're doing, extracurricular activities on, Tinder. You make sure that you have that 6 months of living expenses saved. Now, here's my next part. If you're more conservative is amazing that you have 6 months of living expenses saved.
Yeah.
If you want to have 12 months, not just because a mature guy who said to have 12 months of living expenses said it, but have 12 months. There's nothing wrong with that.
Yep.
My wife and I have now 12 months just sitting doing nothing, just sits in a bank account. And that gives a lot of comfort for her, and I'm cool with it because a happy wife is a happy life. Both you and I know that.
Yes,
right?
that's true.
Okay, we should call her today, but I don't want her to answer and see what she says. We'll do that next time.
Yeah.
So that's number one, super important. Number two, I would pick one real estate investing strategy. And how I got started is different than a lot of people. I bought rentals first.
Okay.
So I bought rentals first. And I think right now is an amazing time to buy your house. I also bought my primary residency in 2007, which was the top of the market. But I still live in it today, and it serves my family. Our payment is very, very, very affordable. Like, I'm not stretched out. Actually, I think my car payments are almost as much as my house payments now. I think about it. They're paid by the business, though. I think it's an amazing time to buy rentals, and I think it's a 3 to 5 year. Like, if you're like most people that we talk to, buy one every 5 years, right?
Yeah.
Like, or sell your house, take the money, don't do a 1031 exchange. There's a capital gains exemption that if you are single and you sell your house, there's a $250,000 capital gains exemption. If you're married, it's $500,000. Take advantage of that, right? Number two. Last one, number three. This is probably the most important one. After you have savings and you buy, self-development is so important.
Nice.
Right? Like, we're on the board of the Utah Valley Real Estate Investors Association. We're growing. I do real estate coaching, consulting. Yoshi's his hairstylist, male model, and an actor. So I think self-development and making sure your head's right? So Tony Robbins speaks about state, story, and strategy.
Yep.
You got to make sure you have the right state so then you can finish up and live the life that you want.
Perfect. Excellent. Well, Matt, I want to thank you so much for sharing on the show today. How can people get in touch with you?
You bet. So Facebook's an awesome way. It's
Yep.
Matt Atkinson. You guys will check out Facebook. My consulting company is MJA Real Consulting. And then my mortgage, if you guys want to email me, it's matkinson, ATKINSON. That sounds so boring. matkinson at intercaplending.com. matkinson at intercaplending.com. And just put in the subject line, you listen to the radio show, because then we'll respond to help you out quicker.
Perfect. Excellent. Guys, if you missed any part of this show, you can definitely check it out at our website, www.utahhomesweethome.com. Click on the YouTube link or the social media link where we are hosting these calls, or I should say these shows, recorded for you guys to be able to re-listen in case you missed any part of it. And I want to thank you guys for joining us this morning and listening in, and I hope you all have a spectacular weekend.